Yo, YouTube creators, welcome to TE Mix. Want to pin a video on your channel in 2025? This few-minute guide, super easy. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Open YouTube. Click your profile icon in the top right and select View Your Channel. Go to Videos. Click the three-dot menu. No pin option there. Scroll down. Click Customize Channel, then hit the Home tab. Click Add Section. Choose Channel Trailer and pick your video. Hit Publish and boom, it's pinned for non-subscribers. To pin for subscribers too, go back to Add Section. Select Spotlight for returning subscribers. Add the same video and click Publish again. That's it. You're a YouTube pro. Drop your favorite pin video in the comments. Peace out and keep creating.